Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams, and what I'm talking about today is YouTube for business. Now, before I get started, I want to let you know that this is my third channel. My most popular channel is Vocal Splendor Studios, and that channel has 82,000 subscribers and over 18 million views. And so what I'm talking about is how to use YouTube for business. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified of all of my uploads. So my experience is I built my YouTube channel when I was new to Seattle and I wanted to put videos on my website. That was in 2010. And after that happened, my videos went viral and I began getting clients from all over the world. So that's what I'm talking about here. Now, my experience isn't unique. YouTube has been underutilized for business because I think they really don't understand what to do and how to do it. Because when YouTube videos, and this is just whether you're a brick and mortar store, you're a coach, you're a voice teacher like I am, all these types of businesses can develop on YouTube to bring clients to you. Because here's the thing about YouTube is when you make a YouTube video, unlike social media that falls down with the whole social feed, that video can bring you clients 24/7. And so it's just about getting a strategy to create content that will drive clients to you. This is real. It happened to me. And because after I had those videos go viral in 2011, I started teaching clients from all over the world. And I'm not special. Everybody can do this. Now, here's the big things that you can think about with using YouTube. First of all, number one is credibility. So when you speak about what you do, what your business is, people are going to see that. Something about video is really solid. It does much better than reading or having a blog post because you're going to film your business, you're going to talk about your business, and that video is going to stay there for a long time. So the more videos you make, the more credibility you're going to get with your potential clients. And again, those videos are going to be there consistently. It's like investing in real estate. When I grew up in the Northwest, because I grew up in the Seattle area, people would make crab pots and they'd hang crab pots off of docks. You go on a boat, hang some crab pots. Then you come back, at the end of the day, you open them up, there's all the crabs. That's what a YouTube video is. When you learn how to use YouTube with, of course, SEO and a thumbnail and the content that is good for your clients, that video is constantly going to get views and likes, unlike social media. And it builds credibility. The more videos you make, the more people are going to see your credibility and they're going to go, I want you. So the next thing, number two, is that you can get clients from your channel. Because once they start watching you and liking your content and understanding what you actually do, then they're going to go, okay, I'm going to go into your store, or I'm going to choose you as my realtor, or I'm going to choose you as my vocal coach, or choose you as another coach. Again, because it's evergreen content. Now, what is evergreen content? It means it's always hanging around, because the way people find your content is by all the things that you're talking about and making sure that the titles fit your content. So don't name things, number 2, video number 3, coffee with Tina. You want to use content and things that titles were what people are searching for, depending on your business. So that's key. We also want to have really great thumbnails that will catch people. Not too busy, shows what the video is about with few words to pull them in. And last of all, once you get in the habit of doing YouTube videos at least once a week, twice a week is better, then you're going to start growing. People are going to find your videos. They're going to show up on the suggested channels. And once you get the metrics of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, then you can monetize your channel. It's a no-brainer. I don't know of anything on social media that will allow you to do all of this. Because mostly with social media, you constantly have to be feeding it. It's like a hungry animal. You can't stop. And so you have to be on this treadmill of sending out content where YouTube sits there. It hangs out there and it gets found through search and suggested videos because it's tied to Google. So if you're not on YouTube as a business or a coach, you're missing out. And if you're labeling your videos Coffee with Melissa episode 2, you're also missing out because no one's gonna find your content. We don't know what that is. We don't know what Coffee with Melissa is. But if you're talking about how to build your business or how to put out branding or how the house, that's what you need to put in your titles. So I have courses, I have training, so I want to let you know that I have a course that will help you. I also have a membership that will help you. And once you get your YouTube going, you will get clients. I'm living proof. And I still get them. And then I actually have ad revenue every month. So that is what YouTube can do. It's kind of like investing in the stock market because you're always growing your assets. And it's easy to do once you know how to do it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description, underneath the description in the comments. Reach out to me with my links over here. I'd love to help you build your channel. I have a course and a membership that teaches you everything you need to know. I'm living proof. So reach out to me and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.